again here. Welcome to our fascinating science channel. Dear friends, the Sun is the only star in the solar system, accounting for about 99.8% of the total mass of the entire system. Therefore, even the smallest changes in the Sun affect the entire solar system. Recently, a solar storm caused 40 Starlink satellites, owned by SpaceX, to fall back to Earth. While SpaceX was still dealing with the aftermath of this incident, the Sun had another massive eruption. The eruption occurred on February 15, 2022, and was recorded by the Solar Orbiter spacecraft through impressive images. For the first time, an intense eruption was captured in a panoramic view, showing the complete image of the Sun and the erupting flare. So, is the flare from the eruption heading towards Earth? Will there be a solar storm attacking Earth in the near future? Let's explore the answer in today. Wishing you all enjoyable and relaxing moments. Now, let's get started. Subscribe to the GianMiGo channel so you don't miss exciting videos. Subscribe to the Odyssey channel to watch interesting videos. Subscribe to the Odyssey channel to watch interesting videos. Subscribe to the Odyssey channel to watch interesting videos. The unique and panoramic image captured by Solar Orbiter is our panoramic photo. Subscribe to the Odyssey channel to watch interesting videos. Subscribe to the Odyssey channel to watch interesting videos. Providing additional perspectives for other spacecraft at greater distances. For a long time, humans have recognized the need to monitor space weather, especially the Sun. But monitoring and forecasting solar weather remains a major challenge for scientists. Therefore, the Solar Orbiter spacecraft was launched to study what happens around the Sun. This is considered the most complex scientific laboratory ever sent to explore the Sun. The spacecraft is the result of collaboration between the European Space Agency, ESA, and NASA. It was launched into space on February 10, 2020. The main mission of the spacecraft is to capture the most realistic images of the Sun, from a closer distance than any previous spacecraft. Observe solar wind in the previously unexplored polar regions of the Sun. This helps clarify the mysteries of the solar cycle that humans have not yet known. Although this eruption was not directed towards Earth, it serves as an important reminder of the sun's unpredictability and the importance of understanding and monitoring its behavior. According to scientists' predictions, high-risk events like solar storms will increase in the coming years, as the sun enters the most active phase of its cycle. Therefore, we must be even more proactive in responding to potential solar storms that could occur at any time. Solar eruptions release a large amount of charged particles into space. They combine with solar wind to form solar storms, also known as geomagnetic storms or magnetic storms. If their path heads straight towards Earth, they can cause many disruptions to human life, such as destroying power grid systems, satellites, loss of radio communication, etc. Most recently, SpaceX lost 40 satellites due to failure to anticipate a geomagnetic storm. Accordingly, on February 3, 2022, SpaceX's Falcon 9 rocket launched 49 Starlink satellites into orbit, aiming to strengthen the massive Starlink internet system the company is developing. But SpaceX launched at the wrong time. Specifically, they failed to predict the activity of a geomagnetic storm heading towards Earth. Charged particles from the solar eruption on January 30, 2022 created a geomagnetic storm on February 4, increasing particle density in the atmosphere, leading to increased drag in this region. This caused 40 out of 49 newly launched SpaceX satellites to fall back into Earth's atmosphere just one day after launch. A few days later, some Puerto Rico residents captured impressive videos of space debris burning up in the sky. The time of filming this video was early in the morning on February 7, 2022. Satellite tracking experts believe this could be part of a batch of SpaceX satellites that are decaying and burning up as they fall back into Earth's atmosphere. After the geomagnetic storm reached Earth, scientists checked the data and discovered the eruption on January 30th caused SpaceX satellites to fall at an M1 level, which is a moderate level on the scale. We classify explosions on the sun's surface into different levels, including X, M, C, B, and A in descending order, where level 10 is the strongest. It can cause prolonged radiation storms in the upper atmosphere, leading to widespread radio signal loss. Level M is medium. These explosions can cause temporary radio blackouts, and sometimes creating small radiation storms. Level C explosions are those that do not cause serious consequences for Earth, while B and A are the weakest explosions. In reality, with current technology, humans still cannot predict solar eruptions in advance. Therefore, the sun needs to be monitored more closely so that when an outbreak occurs, the Earth can prepare thoroughly before electromagnetic storms arrive. So today, we have explored the newly recorded solar eruption through the widest image ever captured. Wish you all an enjoyable video viewing. Now, please select the video on the left or right side of the screen to explore more mysteries of the universe. See you again in the next videos. Goodbye.